Right, good afternoon. Welcome to Porcupine Stand here on YouTube with Selbert. Well, it is dangerous. It's danger and air. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Na Yendi Juma Ewa. Se Kumasi Asante Kotoko Secretariat. Players no drew 20. Players Mako. Drew 20 in a Asante Kotoko Secretariat. Sabri Abno Kasei. My best of knowledge, goalkeeper Frederick Kasari any hobby. Senen Somame. Emmanuel Kote any hobby. Troto. Justice Blay confirmed uni hobby. Justice Blay confirmed uni hobby. Good. Yusuf Nuruddin any Kotoko Secretariat. Troto mame. Enoch Morrison any ho sabre krame hu flyer bia. Morrison aso kobo kokwase omokobo friendly match oni agadas ni adom from pom omokobo friendly match bro mehu sa flyer Morrison ni hobby. Michael Che Jamina is not at the secretariat at the moment. Andrew Sintim menu ni ho. Good. Peter Aminu Akwa onusu any hobby. Baba Yaya any Kotoko secretariat. On top of my head, these are the players of Muniho. All other players, Moise Poite, Danlad Ibrahim, Augustin Ejapon, Fuseni Isahaku, Samuel Asamoah, Nana Benyini Amwa, John Tereku, Nicholas Osebonsu, Sharif Mohammed, Dawouni Yaya, Rocky Jamana, Richmond Opoku, Bernard Somoa, Kalu Watara, George Infege, Julius Ofori Ziggy. Nyina Kotoko Secretariat. Dia me boy later ni nyina Kotoko Secretariat. Nti omni ho no, Frederick Kasare, Emmanuel Kote, Yusuf Nuruddin, Justice Blay, Henry Ansu, yes, Ansu Suni hobby. Enoch Morrison, Andrew Sintimenu, Michael Che Jamina Baba Yaya, Peter Aminu Akwa. These are the players anyhow. The first one, Eric Zeze Soho, Zeze Wahomi, Zeze Dinfrim. Wow. And now I'm two when him said there will be a tough meeting. Our Asante Kotoko Secretariat where they will meet players and engage them to re-examine their stay at Asante Kotoko. And then meeting abaso. Meeting it was supposed to start at 10. But according to my sources and men on the grounds, it started around 11:48 a.m. I no pay. Around 11:48 and a meeting is starting. Now, meeting no match miensa. Players are more contract ibewu a. Ebi obu ani de bewu August. Obi ani de bewu September. Because ebi o sign a renewal no September. Club ni di ken shia sa nkofo na omo contract bewu August bewu September. Club no according to the coach's report, they will not work with them no omo share omo first. Now, I'll go into the details of some players. Zone. The second batch, a new players, a buyer, they are still under contract with Kotoko. But a bit here, termination, a bit here, loan. Those are the second batch of players of Missiomo. And some players might be fortunate and they will be awarded a contract extension. Last. Good. And on say you June. Season abe your players need coffee. So the club want to engage every player for you to know that if you are contract with September, but won't cut him no. And now say won't cut him no no. You contract ni mune. You try na say July could kontiaoka. September could kontiaoka. But because you are now free, you have the ability to go and negotiate with any other club. What you say? And here the first part. No? The other condition of the mass are part of players. Okay, who are out there na son you be twem. But if you have a so in that club and san you twem. But wait me akofie no manager ma kwadwene ho. Unya club abra. So when that club na September na so August na so next one notice here na yetwam why free agent. Some players ne there Asante Kotoko company for ni o mawie. So my post on Facebook, me trust 7 done. A lot more to go. Oh, Facebook. Now me chima so. Now let me go into the news. What? At the end of the year, Kotoko management them person they see last season be besinti no. Player biani or dear friend contract mutual termination form. Where club never letter. Now we play and watch out to say mutually. When a club ne agree say ebi our contract will be in 2 months time. But mu twam ne. They are kind of munyama and all. So let me start with Omo inside say club ne omo you know mame fambrel as at an area 152 whilst recording this video. Good. First name Danlad Ibrahim will right inside about Danlad contract be in August. Club nen enemy twamune. No a free agent no call. Well right inside. Now they me picky in here. Coach Ogum and they take responsibility for the technical decisions. The me say coach and say on timene won nya adwuma piem. Enya say won nya ade. Enya say money monso. But you are not in the plans of the coach. Enti ye twa wo contract no. Na contract no will not be renewed. Enti they two anim na o baby ko na kosi akan as a free agent. Danlad Ibrahim awura inside aba on Kotoko awie. Or secretariat ho as at the time and me source whisper the cause na kire me. Because na ka say be born a letter no assign me no Kotoko awie. Danlad Ibrahim latest by an ochra. There will be official statement saying thank you to Danlad. Danlad awie. Moise Poate impenifo ne na wie. Entiasia ye adwuma. Moise eso ka ho. This is what my source is telling me. Because some of the first group of players no omo de ne ebewu by renew na team come off first. Don Tedeku Dan Tedeku passport has been given to him this afternoon by Asante Kotoko. Tedeku very soon will go to a social media handle and officially announce that he's no longer a player of Asante Kotoko. Not thank you, I'm Asante Kotoko fans. Mama Danlad Poate Tedeku. George Infege Ekasa first group no. Augustine Ejapon Ekasa first group no. Also akọ inside yet ya to the name say a contract will not be extended. Inti yentwam month na aka ne nyina nshingu na to asokọ bobo e baby foforo. Ukunya club akobo. So no manager asokọ akọdwene ho no about be terminating later, but the club is making it official to you that your contract will not be renewed. Isaac upon Neymar eka ho tie Danlad Poate Imfege Ejapon Isaac upon Neymar eka ho ono so omone na di nkomo awie. At that time and I may call not as the secretary or what train say mutual termination letter no on the Kotoko nyina be sign. Nicholas Mensah on the tosu nsia e was our list no ono so ne Kotoko awie and a John Tedeku. Mama was 7 of these players done. Official announcement soon from the camp of Asante Kotoko. This is what my source catch them. And numeradia, they now will trash the other players. Until Danlad Infege Poate Ejapon, Nicholas Mensah, Isaac Opon, and John Tedeku 7 done. Announcement soon. Yet brought on Porcupine Stand and also the official handles of Asante Kotoko. Nadia Kemunye, Dauni yaye ure inside. Minim the omni to Dauni yaye. Whether the be termination or loan, but I don't know. Players ne wo honye. Medical catch or say blame count. No say na make say one source and a confirm who blade the nti fan yanya no unconfirmed source. Catch them. Good. You can always trust us here. Enti omo makenie. Fuseni Sahak or a new player by Ohobi. Samuel Asamoah a new player by Ohobi. Prince Adasa a new player by or Secretariat Hope. Nicholas Osebones or an old player, but also it appears that Ryan number 4 our the third group which might listen to my words might be renewal. Nana Benini Amwa and Ra na mensan kan Nana Benini di intimambo but Nana Benini wo obi. Eric Zeze ewo hobi. Shadrach Ado Rocky Jamna Richmond Opoku Bernard Somwa Julius Ofori Ziggy Kalu Watara. Omo nyina ewo hobi a enya asem ketwa. A omo so no later impanifo enya obi a be yin 1-1. Mohammed Sharif defender ono so ka ho. 13 ena mensa aka se omo so ewo ho. Na eno na mebisa question say what the 7 neka 13 ho ya 20. Ikot ko be enya players dia kobo eye democracy cup. Timiyu ebi mu de be renewal but I don't know omo de renewal. If it turns out say we mu nyina ye twam a then him for na kotkore ko akobo democracy cup. Me repeating who be so wo hwe na din ne fa waso mu a e fa waso echi a just video no ko echi na bo. But that is the story. Sabri abo eye 2-7 e wo ha me dey ma on this particular channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you are there, and my name is Sheshe there, bro. Anyway, respectively, your bo be a near the oye, bo be a near the oye. I shall have man. Yamen Kenya. Bye bye.